Friends, welcome to Smart Start Learn in Live. Today we will learn about block diagram of computer. For performing any task on digital computer, you need to give a data and instruction to them. After accepting data from you, they process the data as per given instruction and display the result in various form. For doing all these things, they have various units incorporated in them. This block diagram of computer clearly shows these units and their relationship with each other. In this block diagram, we have a data and instruction through input unit. After accepting data from us, the CPU, that is a central processing unit, that is nothing but the processor, process the data as per given instruction and then display the result through the output unit in various form. We will discuss each unit of this block one by one. Let's start. First is input unit. Input unit provide input to the computer. It is in form of alphabet, digit, special character, etc. It provide through the input unit, that is a input unit. This keyboard, mouse, joystick are the example of our input unit. This is a central processing unit. Next unit is a central processing unit. CPU stands for a central processing unit. It stores and processes the data. That CPU is a brain of computer. That CPU divided into three parts. First is arithmetic logic unit. Second is control unit. Third is a memory unit. It is a diagram of our CPU. First is arithmetic and logical unit. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. This is arithmetic logical unit. It is inside the CPU. CPU ALU perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. It also performs logical operations such as comparisons like greater than, less than, equal to and so on. It does all the mathematical and logical comparisons. This is our ALU. This operation provides the capability of giving precision and accurate computation. Next is control unit. It stands at CU. CU stands at control unit. This is a control unit. CU controls the sequence of operation of all parts of computer. It sends control and timing signal to all the part of computer until the required operation are done. It controls the flow of data from the input device to CPU, within the CPU and from the CPU to the output device. Next is memory unit. MU stands for memory unit. This is our memory unit. MU stores the information before processing and after processing. There are two types of memory. First is a and next is a secondary memory. Primary memory. It also known as a main memory. It stores data and instruction for processing. It can further classified into RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory. ROM, that means read only memory. First we see random access memory. RAM stores the data while computer is working on it, but it loses most of this data when you switch the computer off. As it loses the data, it is called the volatile memory. When a computer is switched on, everything we see on the monitor rest in the RAM. When we enter data in the computer, it is first stored in a RAM. RAM works only when computer is switched on. When the computer is switched off, all the data in RAM is lost. This is our RAM. Read-only memory, that is ROM. ROM stores the instructions a computer needs to start working. When you switch it on and control way it works, it never loses a data. So it is called the non-volatile memory. The BIOS, that is basic input-output system, is usually a part of ROM. This is our ROM. Secondary memory. It is also known as a auxiliary memory. It used to store a data and instruction permanently. Now, the storage capacity of primary memory of computer is very limited. Therefore, additional memory called the secondary memory is required to store a large amount of information on permanent basis. The various type of secondary memory are floppy disk, hard disk, CD/DVD, pen drive or memory unit. Last unit is a output unit. This is output unit. It performs data output function like display the result or the print the result. The example of output unit are video, monitor, printer and the speaker. Main point to remember are CPU is a central processing unit of computer system. CPU consists of control unit, memory unit and arithmetic and logical unit. CU control all the operations of computer unit. MU stores the information. MU is a memory unit. Two types of memory are primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory classified into RAM, that is random access memory, and ROM, that is read-only memory. Secondary memory is also known as a auxiliary memory. ALU performs all arithmetic and logical operations. Input unit is used for providing input to the computer. Output unit shows the result. Control unit related to external devices and the memory unit mostly related to the internal devices. This is our block diagram of computer. Thank you. See you again.